Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to be working on doing some maintenance on our Keystone Sprinter. We're going to be doing some cleaning of the air conditioner coils. So I hope you guys enjoy. After we got our tools around, it's time for us to head up on top of the RV. We went through and took all the screws off. There was only 4 that held the top cover on. Made sure we set them in a spot that they wouldn't roll off the roof. I caught it! Yay! Alright. I'm using a screwdriver to pull these 2 halves apart. And this thing is so hot right now. After getting the covers off, I proceeded to go through and take the front cover off, that way I could get access to the evaporator coil. Coil looks a little dirty. Need to clean all this out. Clean that one out because this one is it should get us back cold again. Once we get this one done, then we get to work on that one. So make sure you put a cloth down so that you don't drop the foam into the interior of the camper. If you got that sprayed, you can use the bristles on the cap. So besides having the foaming cleaner, we also got some white Krylon paint to paint the black covers of the RVs. And just like that, they're white. Ta-da! After we got all of them painted, we got them put back together, and we're able to finish up doing the exact same steps on the other AC. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of how we cleaned our coils on our Keystone RV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.